Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Rabbi shrah li sadri wa yassir li amri wahlul 'uqdatam min lisani yafqahu qawli. Honorable guests, esteemed parents, respected teachers, brothers and sisters, a very warm welcome to all of you on behalf of Asraa Grammar School, Jahrabad. According to Islamic greetings, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. May peace, mercy and blessings of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala be on all of you. I am Raj from grade 6th.
And I am Anika Jabbar from grade 8th. Will be host for the day. I inform you that this program is first of its kind, titled Aina Asra. We are highly thankful to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala that we have passed another year of success of Asraa Grammar School, Jahrabad.
Asraa Grammar School, Jahrabad campus offers a comprehensive educational package which includes all academic subjects and extracurricular activities in an Islamic environment so that we, the students, can live positive and good life and achieve our ultimate goal of success, that is Jannah. Aina Asra, our annual cultural extravaganza function, it's the big day to want to aspire for how he is being groomed and how our future generation seems like. This is the platform to see the immense participation of your children, their Islamic manners, their challenges, their morals, their overall developments, and their preparation to get success in the both worlds.
I assure you that this program will be Islamic and emotionally rewarding, spiritually uplifting, and inshallah, with the help of Allah, this event is going to be a memorable event.
Inshallah.
Without any further wait, I'm going to commence this program. I'm going to start our program with the name of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Allah Almighty says in Quran Pak, so when the Quran is reciting, then listen to it and pay attention that you may receive mercy. So first of all, I am going to invite Talha Hasnat from grade 3rd for recitation of surah Nasr, along with Dharam Arshad and Zinia Tahseen for Urdu and English translation of this surah.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Bismillahir rahmanir rahim. Idza jaa nasrullahi wal fath wa ra'aita an-nasa yadkhuluna fi dinillahi afwaja fasabbih bihamdi rabbika wastaghfir innahu kana tawwaba. शुरू अल्लाह के नाम से जो बड़ा मेहरबान निहायत रहम करने वाला है। जब अल्लाह की मदद आ पहुंची और फतह हासिल हो गई, और क्या तुमने देख लिया कि लोग फौज दर फौज अल्लाह के दीन में दाखिल हो रहे हैं, तो अपने परवरदिगार की तारीफ के साथ तस्बीह करो और उससे मग़फ़िरत मांगो, बेशक वो माफ़ करने वाला है।
In the name of Allah, the entirely merciful, the especially merciful. When the victory of Allah has come and the conquest, and you see the people entering into the religion of Allah in multitudes, then exalt Him with praise of your Lord and ask forgiveness of Him. Indeed, He is ever accepting of repentance.
Sadaqallahul Azim.